Hey everyone! Today is another bag paintings, and this is my personal everyday bags. Very convenient to use, especially for just running around. Very attractive, and actually I receive a lot of compliments again for my bags. I use my acrylic Angelus paints here, as you can see on my introduction videos. Actually, this bag is a small size bag only. The size is 8 inches for the width, and the height is 7 inches only, and the dimension is 3 inches. So it's really a very little bag. So but it has lots of packets inside, and there's two separate packets outside as well. So since it is a small bag, I decided to paint it with a cotton flower designs and off-white flower petal colors with buds. For the leaves, a combination of light green, avocado, South Beach, there's a brown, fire red. All of these colors you can see on my videos of my unboxing of acrylic leather paints by Angelus. I will put the links down below so you can take a look of all those colors. And the brushes I use here is also from Angelus products. After I finish all my paintings on my bags, I put a light touch of matte finisher from Angelus paints. So I do hope you see until the end how I came up to these ideas and how it looks so beautiful because of my personal touch of my painting designs. And I will see you again on your channels, and hope you subscribe for more videos, and I will see you. Bye.